love for books and manuscripts. Business are always there. We are the largest producer of polyester and the PET resins in the world. We have got 65 plants. We have got 30,000 people. But the most satisfaction I get when we can convert knowledge to the word. Always I had a love of books and manuscripts. So we try to put all our books on the web. So that is one thing. I had a very important mission, and it came last year when I tried to put 6,000 Indian manuscripts on the web, which are almost 2 million pages in Sanskrit, to translate them to Hindi and English, and so that our children can learn about our culture and civilization. Those are the things I think we should make things happen in the world.